Look what I got in the mail today. This is January 2025 Bargain Bead Box. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, we are going to open this. I've done cut it, as you've seen, but I've not pulled it out yet. So again, this is this January 2025 Bargain Bead Box. Let's see what we got here. Oh, they're getting us ready for Valentine's. What they're doing. Right, so if you can see that, it's Dusty Rose. Rhodonite stars in this vintage inspired collection. We love the luxe feel of this natural pink and black gemstone. Ooh, especially when accented with sparkling crystal pink freshwater shell and a touch of black tourmaline and medallion motifs in antique copper. So let's see here. Okay, let me get this organized and I'll be right back. Here we go. Okay, so this first one is Rhodonite and Brass Pendant, retail at $5.99. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. I really hope the camera's picking that up. That's beautiful. Number 2 is Pink Rhodonite Faceted Round Beads. Let's try that again. Number 2 is 6mm Pink Rhodonite Faceted Round Beads in a 15-inch string, and they retail at $9.99. Oh, those are so pretty. That's an accent color. My daughter's room, kind of like that Dusty Rose. Okay, number 3 is Freshwater Shell Rondelle Nugget Beads, dyed pink in a 14.5-inch string, and they also retail at $5.99. They feel, okay, April, they feel so cool and just good to your skin. Next, we have 8mm Rhodonite round beads in a 15-inch string, and they retail at $7.99. Oh gosh, these feel really smooth too. Gemstones do, they just feel so good against your skin. Number 5, we have 8-piece 12mm Rhodonite Faceted Coin Beads, retail at $7.99. Number 6 is a 2-piece 18 by 13mm Rhodonite Oval Drops, retail at $3.99. That's so pretty. Number 7, 4mm black tourmaline faceted round beads, 7.5-inch. And that actually doesn't have the retail value on it. It might on the paper. But those have some real pretty shimmer to it. Number 8, we've got 10mm rose quartz matte round beads in a 7.5-inch, retail at $4.99. Those are pretty. They almost like they're matte white, but you can see a hint of pink, even though it's pink string. You can still see there's a hint of pink in this actual stone itself. Number 9 is a 3.5 by 3mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in copper pink, 13 inches. They retail at $3.99. Now, y'all, I hope it doesn't take me near as long, almost a whole month, like it did for January's unboxing. It took me to the end of the month to even make anything with it. That's pretty. Number 10, it's 8 by 6mm crystal faceted rondelle beads in a vintage mix, 15 inches. They retail at $4.99. Oh, that's pretty. It's very regal. Those are really pretty. Purples and pinks and golds. Those are pretty. Number 11 is a 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in antique copper, 12 inches, and they retail at $3.99. It's kind of like those little black ones. Those are pretty. Got a pretty shimmer to them. Number 12. This is 11 by 10mm fancy coin beads, and they retail at $2.99. Those are fancy. Those are pretty. Number 13, it's 20 pieces of 8 by 5mm rope accent bead caps. Coppery like finish. Looks like a little bell or a little flower. Number 14 is 10 pieces of 13 by 9mm medallion drops, $2.99 is the retail value. Number 15 is a 35mm medallion pendant. It retails at $2.99, so it should match that. And it does pretty close. Oh, there's 2 of them. So if you want to make a set of earrings or a necklace, whatever you wanted. Number 16, 3 sets of 23mm ornate round toggle clasps, and they retail at $2.49. And last one for this month is 1 meter of 4mm steel Rolo jewelry chain, and it retails at $3.99. That pretty copper color. Double check here, make sure. Yeah, it was 17. Okay, so Bargain Bead Box, if you have not watched this channel before or unboxing or seen anybody else's, Bargain Bead Box is a curated bead company, and you subscribe to their channel. You subscribe to them, and it is for Bargain Bead Box. Taxes and everything included is $22.99 a month, and that, again, that's taxes, that's shipping, that's everything. And you can't go to Hobby Lobby or wherever and spend $23 and come out with, you know, this much pretty jewelry. I can't talk today. So that is what Bargain Bead Box is. I will have a link in the description box below, and just go click on that link. That will take you straight through their page, and then you can go and check them out, see what you think. Also, if you are a subscriber, they will send you a link to their sister store, and each month when we get a set, there is a coupon code, and we can go to their sister site store, and that's, you know, if we want to order more of this or really anything, and it saves us 30% off. And you can use that coupon more than once. You can use it the whole month long, and as many times as you want. As many times as you want to place an order, you can use that coupon, and so that makes it even better. But I've loved everything that I've gotten from them so far. They're out of Tennessee, and they seem like they're super sweet people. And anytime if I thought I had a problem, and usually it's not been them, it's been me, but they have just been, you know, responded right back, just real sweet. So I really like this company. But so that is Bargain Bead Box, and this is January 2025. I cannot believe it is 2025. I don't know when I was a teenager if I ever thought I'd see 2025 or not, but here we are. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and go check them out and you won't be disappointed. So I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.